Hello everyone, and welcome to this deep dive into the transformative world of digital engineering, digital twins, and digital threads. These concepts are revolutionizing industries by enhancing efficiency, innovation, and connectivity. While each term represents a distinct idea, they are closely related and often work in harmony. Let's break them down and see how they come together to shape the future. What is digital engineering? Digital engineering leverages cutting-edge technologies like computer-aided design, advanced simulations, and virtual modeling to design, develop, and test products or systems. It creates a digital representation of a product's entire lifecycle, allowing for a fully virtual environment. Key features: integrates artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced simulation tools. Promotes cross-disciplinary collaboration through shared digital models. Enables real-time analysis and optimization before physical prototypes are built. Example: automobile manufacturers use digital engineering to design vehicles, simulate aerodynamic efficiency in virtual wind tunnels, and predict performance under different conditions, all before a single car is physically produced. What is a digital twin? A digital twin is a real-time virtual replica of a physical product, process, or system. It uses data from sensors on its physical counterpart to enable real-time monitoring, analysis, and optimization. Key features: synchronizes with the physical system through IoT-enabled sensors, provides predictive insights via simulations and advanced analytics, helps in maintenance, troubleshooting, and performance improvement. Example: consider a wind turbine with sensors that track wind speed, temperature, and vibration. Its digital twin uses this data to predict maintenance needs, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. While digital engineering, digital twins, and digital threads are distinct, they are interconnected and work together to create smarter, more efficient systems. When paired with IoT, they become even more powerful, enabling seamless communication and functionality. These concepts are not just theoretical, they are being implemented across industries like manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and energy, driving the future of innovation. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the digital frontier. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue exploring how technology is reshaping our world.